AI. So AI is taking over software engineering as we speak. But should you be worried? Should you think about it and make you not sleep at night? So I'm here to uncover those things and maybe share with you what's coming for you as a software engineer. As usual, I like to come to a simple principles. When the car was invented, what happened? People who used to ride on horses were scared that their job is going to be taken over by cars. Same happened to typewriter machines, to printing machines. And those folks who used to print manually or working in studios were very much worried that something is going to change and they're going to be out of the market soon. Years passed, now we are in 2025, and still it hasn't replaced people. So, where am I going with this? Does AI going to change how people do things? Yes, but is going to replace people as we know them and replace everything with robots? I think that's not possible actually. Even the same for software engineers. And I will give you three different aspects where this is not possible. So let's say that you building a software and you somehow manage to have your AI set up and create a project for you. That is good until you need to learn how customers interact with your product, and you need to learn how customers understand your product and the needs for the future feature development, right? So will you send AI to go get these uh, feedbacks? Someone will say that you will send a form and get feedback, which is fine. But how will you incorporate these changes to the initial release of the software? So that's where you will see more AI will start making more mistakes because it doesn't understand the past context and the new context. Because to it is the same context, right? So let's say you try to log in, but somehow you need to make login smooth in a way that the user understand it. This can only be observed by a human who can be able to see what is happening in real life when the user are using the systems versus to the actual implementation of the system. So that's where the disconnect of human and AI will happen. So where I'm going with this, you will see that product management is going to be on rise because you need someone who understands deeply the product development and what it means to be a customer centric or a customer obsessed. So I think that's what is going to happen in terms of AI and whether it's going to change or replace humans. I think those folks who are going to learn more about AI and embrace the AI in their daily routines, they're not going to be affected by this AI trends that is happening. So those one who are using the AI are going to be 100 times efficient and faster than those one that are not using AI at all. So the problems for software engineers that for those juniors that are starting software development, they will lack having the basic skills to debug and understand the core problems, and we are going to start seeing more bugs in production apps, and some bugs will stay there for months and even for years because no one is able to understand how to debug these problems. these bugs. And the more bugs they solve, the more bugs they introduce in the code base. So that's what I wanted to discuss in this video. And if you find this video more insightful, please like and subscribe to this channel so that I can keep creating more contents like this in the future. Thank you. Bye.